Hi Gary, I'm going to show you how to do the changing of the prices every day. So we go to, I'll just do it in SKU Grid first. You're going to want to come up here to My Items, and then it'll basically list out everything you have on SKU Grid. And then you go to Settings, and then you go to Marketplaces, and then you go to eBay, eBay US, and then you come down here to, I think right now I have it at 13.9, if I'm not mistaken. But you want to switch to the wizard view. Yeah, I'm at 13.9. So I'm going to drop it down to 13.8. Close. And then save settings. And then you also got to change it in Hydra, because that's the price that will be set when the girl is listed. SKU Grid comes in and would change the price, but it would take another 3 hours. So I just like to have it changed in both. So here you go to Batch Lister Single Settings, US Settings, and this one should also be at 13.9. You gotta go to the next page. Yeah, so I'm gonna drop it to 13.8. You know, my sales have not been all that great, so I want to make the prices a little lower, not higher. Save that, and voila, done.